Hey, what's up? What's up? It's me, Matthew, again. Today, samahan niyo akong magmukbang ng crumble cookie. And shout out sa pinsan ko kay Nico at kay Chilan sa pasalubong from Canada. And thank you so much. So without further ado, tikman na natin. First, ang ganda ng packaging niya. I believe this is around 75 Canadian dollars. So that's way around 3,100 pesos, including taxes and fees, for 12 pieces. So let's check what's inside the box. Okay, so titikman na natin yung crumble. So I believe crumble cookie have this rotating flavor sweetly. So what do we got here are chocolate covered banana cookie, cinnamon scone, mallow sandwich cookie featuring Oreo, biscoff lava cookie, and milk chocolate chip. Ito siya. So ipa-flash ko na lang din sa screen pag edit na yung video. So let's open this up. I am very excited to taste this. So, kayo una makakakita before me. I believe what we have here is the milk chocolate chip cookie and then the biscoff lava. So, isa natin yung isa. Oh, the Oreo cookie, the banana covered cookie. Ano nga yung isa? Basta yun. Check ko na lang later. First is the milk chocolate chip cookie. So, what are you waiting for? So, tara, tikman na natin siya. Oh, it's so gooey. Oh, hindi siya ganun matamis. Tapos, sarap siya. I can finish this in one sitting. Sarap siya. Or hindi muna natin i-rate. So, next we have the cinnamon scone. Okay. Medyo, ito yung knife here. It's just the inside of the cinnamon scone. So, look at that. So, let's taste this. Wait. Have you ever tried the cinnamon bun or cinnamon Danish ng Starbucks? Yun yung similar na lasa niya pero in a cookie form. Masarap. Oh. Sarap. So next we have the chocolate banana covered cookie. So banana is actually my favorite, lalo na when I go out to cafes, I always look for banana bread or banana loaf. So mataas yung expectations ko dito. Though hindi naman siya loaf or bread, diba? Pero look at this one. So far dito sa lima, siya yung pinakamalambot na hindi masyadong cookie, yung pagka-crunch ng cookie. So, but this, I guess this is so gooey. So, hindi ko siya hatiin. Kutsilihin natin siya. Slice this. Here. So, tingnan natin, guys. Actually, hindi siya matamis, but since it is actually covered with chocolate on top, yun yung nagpapatamis sa kanya, but the cookie itself and with the flavor ng banana, it's so good. This is so good. This is so good. Like, seriously. Masarap. Dapat, isang dosena ng ganito lang yung pinabili ko. Sarap. Masarap siya. So next, we have the biscoff lava cookie. So look at that. This is so simple. So I am expecting na lasang-lasang biscoff to. So let's break it in half. So wala naman siyang laman sa loob. Let's taste this. Minuli. Alam niyo yung lasa ng biscoff na biscuit, di ba? Sobrang tamis nun. But this, sarap. Hindi siya ganun katamis. Pero lasang-lasa mo pa rin yung flavor ng biscoff. So far, parang ito yung mas gusto ko. Sarap. We're on to the last flavor. So this is what you call the mallow sandwich cookie featuring Oreo. So mataas din ang expectations natin dito kasi Oreo to. So look at that. Actually kasi nakita halos sa mukha ko, diba? Oh my God. Look at that. So tikman natin siya. Oh. Yung sandwich na siya talaga kasi may marshmallow talaga siya sa gitna. Pero yung lasa niya, para siyang yung chocolate cake ng chocolate, ang arte naman. Para siyang chocolate cake ng isang kilalang brand dito sa Philippines na The Bake Shop. So that's how I remember the flavor, the taste, and the smell. Yeah, kayo na bahalang humusga kung ano dun sa dilaw or sa pula na chocolate cake. Masarap siya, pero I guess this is my least favorite. So, hi everyone. So, natikman na natin lahat. So, now, let's rate this. Okay, so, one last. Okay, so my number 5 would be this featuring Oreo, the cookie marshmallow sandwich. The flavor is too ordinary for me. Para siyang yung mga chocolate cake na nabibili natin sa sikat na brand dito sa Philippines. It's either the yellow one or the red one. Then, I will rate this as 6/10. Then, we have this milk chocolate chip cookie. Masarap siya. Actually, masarap siya. But I will just give this a 7. Kasi the chocolate, lasa ng chocolate is too common. And I guess natikman nyo ng lahat. It's so dairy milk. Tapos, we have our number 3, the cinnamon scone. Again, I will give this like 8/10. Kalasa siya talaga nung favorite namin kinakain sa isang kilalang brand na pastry. So, ayun lang yung lasa niya, guys. In a cookie form. Then, my top 2 is this banana covered chocolate cookie. This is so amazing. I will give this like 15/10. Yes, masarap to. It's just that may mas number 1 pa sa puso ko. Then natikman ko, which is this Biscoff Lava. So Biscoff Lava, I will give this like 1,000/10. Sobrang sarap nito, guys. And dun sa 12 pieces na inuwi ng pinsan ko, 4 pieces ng Biscoff Lava. And buti na lang, siya yung pinakamarami kasi for sure ayun yung kakainin. So, hi everyone. So, natapos na natin tikman yung 5 flavors na pinadala sa atin ng pinsan natin. So, if I'm gonna rate crumble in general, I will give this, sorry, disclaimer lang, again, panlasa ko lang po ito. It's 6/10 for me. Bakit? Because definitely these kinds of flavors, you can definitely find an alternative here in the Philippines. Siguro maghahanap lang tayo. But again, these flavors are not so special. So, makikita natin siya dito sa Philippines. By the way, guys, my name is Macho Lacuachero. Don't forget to follow, like, and share my video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next vlog. Goodbye for now.